Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ty from Total Fit Moms. If you haven't checked out my last video, head on over there, check it out. But for today, I'm going to go ahead and show you my fall/winter outfits that I got from Stitch Fit. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you the fall/winter Stitch Fix that I got, and here we go. This shirt right here is the Maggie Tri-Blend crop top shirt for $34, and I would pair it with these skinny jeans. Liverpool is the brand, and yeah, they're skinny jeans. They have a stretch to it. I love the way they fit, and they are for $84.
So here I am trying on an outfit for you guys so you can see how it looked and what I paired it with. As you can see, I still have on the gray shirt and the skinny jeans. They're dark blue skinny jeans, and with my Chelsea boots.
Okay guys, for the second outfit, I have this nice, warm, cozy Millicent long sleeve cardigan, and it's perfect for the holiday season. It's cozy, it's comfortable. This is how it looks. Back. So we have this, and then the shirt that I showed you guys earlier. The same shirt, you can pair it with that as an outfit. This is an everyday wear type shirt. It's really cute and comfortable. And next we have, which is part of the outfit, is the comfy, warm women joggers. It's perfect for the cooler seasons, and it is $68. So these joggers are really nice. I like the colors. I love this at the bottom, and this is how they look.
Okay guys, so here go the second outfit. It's super cozy. I think I fell in love with this outfit. I have on the mustard joggers with a cardigan and the same gray top that I had on earlier. So this is how the whole outfit looks. It's super cozy, perfect for the winter, perfect for the fall, and I really like it.
We have this outer crop top. It's a sustainable top shirt, and it's by Threads for Thoughts, and it is really cute. It's everyday wear. I can pair this with so many different outfits, and it's only for $34. And you can pair it with these jeans right here, the Abby jeans, skinny jeans. It's actually jean season. I love me a good pair of skinny jeans, and these jeans are stretchable, slightly stretchable, and they're $84.
Okay guys, these are the same exact jeans that I had on the last outfit. I just paired it with a different shirt, which is more like a burgundy color. Okay, so with this same outfit, you can always either dress it up or dress it down. I still kept on my Chelsea boots, but if you want to throw some Converse on or any type of casual shoes, you can, or you know, just dress it up to however it fits.
In preparation for fall and date night, I prepared my own outfit out of my wardrobe using the Abby Stitch Fit jeans. These ones that I showed you earlier. These with this bodysuit, brown bodysuit. Yes. And with the denim jean jacket.
Don't forget, there is a $20 styling fee that is credit towards anything that you decide to purchase. Okay guys, so this is the fourth outfit, and as you can see, I paired it with my platform Converse. These are the same jeans and the denim jacket. I really do like Stitch Fit because most of the time you can just use one of their pieces to pair it up with anything that you may have in your closet, which makes styling fun.
Yeah, and let me know which outfit you like the most. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And have a blessed day.